to come onto the dais once again to give us a little breather till we announce the final.
मैं कली नहीं कहंदी चोबरा दुनिया सारी कहंदी नचा मैं लुधियाने ते मेरी धमक जलंधर हानिया धमक जलंधर बेलिया धमक जलंधर पैंदी मैं कली नहीं कहंदी चोबरा मैं कली नहीं कहंदी चोबरा दुनिया सारी कहंदी नचा मैं लुधियाने ते मेरी धमक जलंधर हानिया धमक जलंधर बेलिया धमक जलंधर पैंदी मैं नचाते करती नचे घुमाम पर घूमे मैं नचाते करती नचे घुमाम पर घूमे आसे पासे मार के छाला गुटगिटियां नू चुमे आसे पासे मार के छाला गुटगिटियां नू चुमे आंदे जांदे राहियां नू रोके आंदे जांदे राहियां नू रोके गोरियां हथां दी मेरी नचा मैं लुधियाने ते मेरी धमक जलंधर हानिया धमक जलंधर बेलिया धमक जलंधर पैंदी प्लीज क्लैप एक बार का लंबी करके दे दे मुझे गेड़ा एक बारी बार लंबी करके दे दे मुझे गेड़ा हर्षों से ओ केड़ा पंछी कश्ती उठाता जेड़ा हर्षों से ओ केड़ा पंछी कश्ती उठाता जेड़ा कमर की कचनार सी गंदल मैं लुधियाने ते मेरी धमक जलंधर हानिया धमक जलंधर बेलिया धमक जलंधर पैंदी शुक्रिया
Thank you, Mrs. Samba.
Good evening once again. With bated breath and hopeful prayers resounding in the backstage. Can you hear them? I sure can. For here I have the names of the 5 finalists. And they are contestant number 11. Contestant number 11. Please come.
Congratulations.
Please.
Welcome her once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Next we have contestant number 12. Contestant number 12.
This is Sidhu.
Contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. Next we have contestant number 1. अरे इधर देखिए ना
Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Wish you all the best.
Last but not the least, here we have contestant number 2. Contestant number 2.
Mrs. Shrikant. crucial question to all the young ladies here. The 5 finalists, a common question.
Ma'am's given the question to me.
No, first I will be given the writing pad and so that they get started. Let them be permitted to be seated on jute kursi. They can be comfortable sitting and writing. Kindly arrange a couple of chairs for them. You'll be given, ma'am, 2 minutes after the question is announced. This particular question has been selected by the First Lady, Mrs. Omna Shankar. Take your time, compose yourself, write. We have got the carbon copy also. We'll take the carbon copy and you will be asked to read out your answers. Okay? You will be permitted to take back your answer and whatever you are written, you can take back the answer.
वो सामने वो चल रहा है ना साइड पे कैमरा है वीडियो कैमरा है ये परमानेंट स्टेज
Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen. The common, crucial question
क्या दो उन्होंने
put across.
वो मैं नाम काला है
Very, very confidential. We also do not know. It's been just being given to us by the First Lady, Mrs. Omna.
ये साइड पे
Won't you sit down and be comfortable?
Now your question.
And the question is, listen to the question. What, according to you, is the definition of a woman of substance? What, according to you, is the definition of a woman of substance?
What do you understand by the woman of substance? You have a paradoxical watch. 1 minute consists of 90 seconds. The heartbeat. That sounds also.
I think they all want to come on the stage for a dance. One minute left, ladies. Seconds. And your time finishes now.
Now I request the contestant number 1.
I request contestant number 1 to come up and read out her
Read
answer.
out her answer, whatever she has written.
Very good evening to all again. According to me, the woman of substance is one which combines love, compassion, caring, and a nurturing attitude towards all. She is a career woman, a housewife, a mother, sister, and is a success in all. And in the end, a woman of substance is one who lives life with all its challenges, with a smile on her face and a love in her heart. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. What the question linked out to you? My God, how could you answer so well? Over to contestant number 2, Mrs. Shweta Kara. Please read out your answer, whatever you have written.
According to
me, a woman of substance should actually be a combination of both beauty and brains. Because she is the one who teaches man what loving, caring, and sharing is all about. In modern context, she should be a blend of both beauty and a beautiful mind. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Shweta. Contestant number 7, Shweta.
Yeah.
Like I said before, it is the woman who ultimately Like I said before, it is the woman who ultimately makes or breaks a home. A woman of substance is one who strikes the balance between her home, career and family. She stands by her husband.
Mrs. Babina. And good to Mrs. Sidhu. During this read out answer, the mic some difficult number.
A woman who can gracefully and lovingly embrace and adopt the role of a mother and a wife while juggling a successful career is, according to me, a woman of substance.
And the last contestant. Thank you, Mrs. Sidhu. That's a wonderful answer indeed.
Contestant number 11.
Good evening once again. According to me, woman plays the most difficult role as she is a daughter, sister, wife, and a mother. She is on the top of the world. She is a very hard worker and she is the most loving and caring person. Thank you.
I request all the contestants to take a final lap of ramp walk. Please give the music and give them a big adieu, ladies and gentlemen.
First, contestant number 11. Music. Some problems with the music? Yes, contestant number 11.
You have reached the final round, ma'am. I'm sure it was a great achievement for you.
Congratulations.
I'm sure you will reach somewhere in this. Further to your achievement.
Contestant number 12.
Mrs. Sidhu, congratulations for being in the final round. Wish you all the luck.
Contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. Well done, contestant number 7. Please give her a big hand. Number 2. Congratulations, number 2. Give them a big hand, please.
Mrs. Shweta, wish you all the good luck. Contestant number 1, please take a final lap.
Congratulations, contestant number 1. Number 1 is Mrs. Tanya.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, hold for a short while. After a break of 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be back with the finalists and the results. Ladies and gentlemen, tap your feet. So head on to the dancing floor because the music, please. The next 10 to 15 minutes, the dance floor is sizzling. The music is hot. The time is running out. So come and enjoy the beat of the music. Thank you. Anybody and everybody, enjoy and freak out. Go for the move. Jump the celebration. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
है दिल लगाना है सारा ज़माना।
competition. Any guesses? The third prize goes to, in the children dance competition, Miss A. Shweta. Please come onto the floor.
Miss A. Shweta.
Miss A. Shweta. This is the third prize for the children dance competition. You are requested to come onto the dais.
Miss Shweta,
Once all the winners come, I'll request.
Miss Shweta is the second runners-up.
Second prize for the children dance competition goes to Master Akhil Gupta, son of Mr. Nikhil Gupta. Give him a big hand.
The first
Welcome.
runner-up is Akhil. Give him a big hand, please.
The first presentation of the fusion this evening. And hold your breath. The first prize goes to Miss Nirmit Kaur Ahluwalia of Paimanjia.
Children's dance competition
Yeah, that's the right guesses.
has been won by Nimrit Kaur.
Now, our request, Major General B. Shiv Shankar, General Officer Commanding 7 Infantry Division, our beloved General, to come onto the dais and give away their prizes, please. General Shiv Shankar. Please give him a big hand.
Please, side please.
Put your hands together. General B. Shiv Shankar Vishish Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding 7 Infantry Division. The second, where are the prizes? Okay, third prize goes to Miss A. Shweta. Big hand.
Give her a big hand, please.
Second prize goes to Master Akhil Gupta, son of Mr. Nikhil Gupta. Big hand. And the first prize, the coveted prize for the best dancing child, Miss Nirmit Kaur Ahluwalia of Paimanjia. Hey, hey. Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations, Nimrit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Brigadier Miss Bura,
I'm sure you all want to
Commander
know
7 RT Brigade, for guiding us to show a success. Thank you, Brigadier Ms. Bura, CRT. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's thrilling to announce the winners of the
May Princess pageant.
contest.
The
Second runner-up. Okay, before that, I request
Mr.
Mr. and Mrs. Sodhi, the oldest couple of Firozpur Club, to come on the dais to give away the coveted prize. After that, I'll announce the winners. Some more suspense. Mr. and Mrs. Sodhi, wherever you are the oldest and the most respected couple of Firozpur Club. Ma'am and sir, you are requested to come on and give away the prizes, cash prizes to the winners of May. Welcome, sir. I hope you have enjoyed the evening.
Very important. After a long time, the club is having such a nice evening.
When did you do this last May Queen contest?
Well, I think it's about 4 to 5 years now, and we are so having been on now.
Was it better or same standard?
Well, I must say, the comparer of the evening, you, the honey, has stolen the show.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I am honored. Now to the winners. The second runner is runner-up of May Princess is Miss Ishita Ranade of 72 medium breast. A big welcome.
Big hand to her.
Sir, kindly put on the sash to the second runner-up. And the cash prize 2,000 goes to Miss Isha, daughter of Colonel Ranade. And kindly be here. Second prize, the first runner-up goes to Miss Sumna Rajpurohit of 4 Jackrabbits.
Miss
Miss Sumna, a big congratulations. Please give her a big hand. 4 Jackrabbits is celebrating their anniversary too. on 30th of May. The celebration is already on. Congratulations, Miss Samna. A cash prize of 3,000. And hold your breath. Any guesses for the May Princess? Any guesses? Say it loud. Miss. You have told it correct. Miss was correct. Miss Chavi Dawar. Come on to the dance floor and take away the cash prize. Miss Chavi Dawar. Miss Chavi, wherever you are. Yeah. It's a great, wonderful performance. Stellar performance by Miss Chavi. Sir, would you kindly put on the sash on her and the crown? Mrs. Sodhi will put on the sash and Mr. Sodhi will put on the crown. Please give her a big hand! Now I request all the 3 contestants and winners to take a final lap. Please, all together. All together. Please give them a big hand. Over to Mrs. Shivanjali to announce the winners of the making. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sodhi and Mrs. Sodhi. Thank you for being with us.
Here comes the crowning glory, the moment you all were waiting for. Uncle, to come up on the stage to create the May Queen prizes.
Really, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to say a few words before you give away the coveted prize?
What should I say?
Enjoy the evening.
Very much. Every bit of it. I think we deserve quite a long time.
In fact, because of you only we are here, and because of you only they all have enjoyed every moment of it. Thank you, ma'am, and over to them.
The second runners-up. Can you guess? Any guesses? The second runner-up is number 7, Mrs. Papaya. Contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. We'll go to the first runner-up. Contestant number 12, Mrs. Tinky. Come forward, I didn't see. And the May Queen for 2005 goes to contestant number 11. Contestant number 11.
All bogey! All bogey!
We have runners up, Miss Papia. The second runners up is contestant number 12. And the May Queen for 2005 goes to contestant
please.
number 11.
Be decided!
after a gap of 10 years, we are here with the winners of Makery 2005. Hope it will last every year. It will be there in better and better performances and stellar performances will be there to witness for all of you. And you, the members of Firozpur Club, I'm sure, and thank you all for making this evening a wonderful, wonderful success. I'm sure you have enjoyed the fun. I'm sure you have enjoyed the anticipation. I'm sure you have enjoyed the tears. I'm sure you have enjoyed the talent which has gone behind the making of Make Queen and Make Princess 2005.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to all of you.
That's not the end. Hold your breath. Take out your tickets and see your names and numbers. We are going to take out the raffle draw. There are 17 hampers and prizes. So anybody and everybody can win. I request the Deputy Commissioner of Firozpur to come onto the stage and I'm sorry for correction. The Divisional Commissioner of Firozpur, Mr. Sidhu, to come onto the stage. Sir, you are requested to come onto the stage. I'm sorry for the error. I apologize for that. You're the Divisional Commissioner who looks after the affairs of Firozpur as well as Faridkot also, if I'm not mistaken. Welcome, sir. Welcome. A big, warm welcome on behalf of Firozpur Club. Have you enjoyed the evening, sir?
Hello, Pradeep. Never be apologetic because it's the return of the native. This is the Firozpur people will remember as Deputy Commissioner. Then as Honorable General Shiv Shankar, Lady Omna Shiv Shankar, officers and natives of Firozpur, for me, I said it's a return of the native. And in this premises, under the aegis of General Shiv Shankar, it is a reunion. I remember my earlier days as a Deputy Commissioner. God bless the soul of Honorable L.M. Tiwari. Then I have the fond memories of having worked together with Lieutenant General. That time he was Major General here in Okresa, Nandapur. We worked on Operation Sahyog, and out of that I got same love and affection which you have showered on me today, sir. I called on General today, and until this evening I was wondering if he is from RD, because he was sending the shots across. But they told me, okay, if it is not from RD, it is from a Grenadier. I will cherish these moments, sir. As far as this evening is concerned, Pradeep asked, did you enjoy? I can say, only those persons might not have enjoyed who suffer from constipation. Otherwise, everyone has enjoyed. And I am overjoyed. As far as the talent of the kids concerned, it's a space age, let's admit it. They are much ahead of us. But asking a question, Lady Omna, is very easy, but very hard to answer. Throughout I have been wondering, as a student of history, that Lord Hardinge, sir, this is a question to all of us. And I assure you answer, when you all admit that you do not know what's the answer to it? Lord Hardinge during Anglo-Sikh War, he was aged 60. and his experience was 42 years. His commander-in-chief was Lord Gough. He was 58. His experience was 45. How did it come that Lord Harding at 60 had experience of 42 years and Commander-in-Chief Gough had an experience of 45 years? How did it come, sir?
Personally, I won't agree with that. I wouldn't agree with that.
After long answer came to me that back home in England, there was a call in nursery class and inquiry was conducted, background inquiry, and it was showed that Colonel slept. It was nursery class. Colonel slept major, meaning thereby in those days commission, Lord Gough got commission at the age of 13 and Lord Harding got commission at 18. This was the answer. So I hope this is the correct answer. It could be the correct answer. But once again, sir, whatever affectionate regards, General Sir, you have shown to me, whereas it reminds me of return of native, it reminds me of a reunion once again. God bless us all. Thank you so much.
Sir, you are requested to talk, sir. There is 17, at least few of them, sir. The first prize goes to, sir, you become punch.
So one thing, they didn't give me my ticket, and it is
You take the whole lot, sir. That solves our problems and time also, sir. The first prize of the evening goes to
Nand Kishore.
Mr. Nand Kishore. Name of the ticket holder, Mr. Rajkumar, number 305. Please come onto the stage, fast. The time is running out. The winner takes it all. Please, hurry up. Otherwise, the prize will be given to the next contestant. Next winner. Yes. Give a lucky winner, Mr. Nand Kishore. Congratulations. Where is the prize? The prizes will be given to you later, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the first prize? What is the first prize? Please announce. There is a lot of prizes and surprises for you. You won't be disappointed, I'm sure. You can go back, but the prize will be handed over to you very shortly. Yeah. The washing machine is the first prize. Give them a big congratulations, big hand. Congratulations. The second prize goes to दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी, कोई हेरा फेरी नहीं, total transparency.
Not on the side of our world.
दाल में कुछ काला है.
I said it cannot be on our side of the world. It can be on the side of the general's world.
No, sir. दूध का दूध.
It is Captain Patniya, H. Patniya.
Mr. Face इधर.
Hello. Captain Pathania. Congratulations. Second prize goes to Captain Pathania. Sir, what's the second prize? Hero cycle. Congratulations, Hero. The third prize is after 3 seconds.
खाली मेरे को कितना ये और राजू रे गंदा गंदा को कैसे ले लिया.
It is to my own brother G.S. Brar.
कोई कैसे नहीं दी.
Congratulations, G.S. Brar. Sir, you have to receive the prize from your own brother. Hearty congrats. What is the prize? Sir, eager to you. Are you, Mr. Brar?
I didn't plan to send you those guests who have overjoyed here. So I suppose under your contingent plan, General Brad is already packed to his home.
Hey, please put your hands together for the Division Commissioner of Firozpur. Thank you, sir, for being with us.
Yo, give me some names.
I request Colonel Kamal Singh, CO, 83 Field Regiment, to come on the stage, sir, and do the justice for the rest of the rapid process. Please, it will be total transparent in front of you only. Quickly, we will take out the thing and we'll not ask you to come onto the thing. We'll note it down and later you can claim. We'll read out only the names of the winners. That's all. You need not come onto the floor. Quickly, sir. Fourth winner. आप ही पढ़ लो सर. Colonel PC Pushti. Wow, what a surprise. Colonel Pushti, sir. CO 70 Armor. You're the 4th prize winner. Okay, Lieutenant Colonel George, 5th prize winner. You can note down, you can come and collect the prizes later. Mr. Gyan Singh Kalra, you're the next winner. Please note down, Captain Rar, correctly. Captain Udit Consul. Captain Udit Consul. You will collect the prize later. Next prize goes to Lieutenant Colonel Manjeet K. Next prize goes to Mr. Naresh Malhotra. The next prize goes to Major Mohit Singh. This is Anju Tiwari. Captain Alok Kotial. Captain Alok Kotial is the next winner. Mr. Vineet Dalaria. Sorry, Mr. Vineet Dapriya. You are requested to come and collect your prize later. Mr. Vineet Dabra again, once again, one more prize. Sir, Darshana के नाम पर लिए थे आपने. Colonel SS Sambia. सर चला हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों को मिल रहा है सर. तो अन्याय है. Colonel SS Sambia. I request Colonel Kamal Singh to do total justice. CO 93 Field Regiment is here. He is the man behind the entire toil and hard work to put up. Rakesh Kaul, congratulations, sir. CO Signal, seven Signal Regiments, commanding officer Colonel Kaul. Mr. Ashish, next winner. Congratulations. Next winner is Mr. Rupender and Priyanka. Rupender and Priyanka together, only one prize. No confusion. Mr. J.S. Sodhi and Mrs. J.S. Sodhi, the next winner, only one prize. Mr. Ashok Kumar and Mrs. Ashok Kumar. This was the 19th, Mr. Ashok Kumar. And the last lucky winner, the 20th winner evening is Colonel Rakesh Kaul. Once again, in the name of Mrs. Kaul. Congratulations, Colonel Kaul and Mrs. Kaul, for winning 2 prizes this evening. Congratulations. Thank you, Colonel Kamal. Would you like to say something, sir? Thank you so much. Thank you for being with us and make this lovely evening merrier and better than ever. Thank you. Shab Bakhair, Shubh Ratri and good night. As promised, you are requested to come back on the dance floor